Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can cook the usual Easter egg in Heartopia. So a lot of people were a little bit confused on it. I'm just going to press this button. Whoops, this one, sorry. And if you go to this section over here, you can purchase the egg recipe first. And basically, it will already show you what you need for the egg, which is the egg and milk. That's what you need for the recipe. And then for the rest, is different. I have it in another video. And also, somebody was a little bit confused on how to get the ingredients. Maybe you've just played this game, but you can get eggs and milk from Massimo. And then for this one, for the purple one, you need to be like gardening level. I don't remember what level it was to unlock the grapes. You do need to grow them yourself. And for the like cabbage as well. And for the orange egg, you can get the apple by harvesting. So yeah, that's okay. So yeah, I hope that clears your confusions on the Easter egg recipe. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!